Hello. This is gonna be a video about my motorcycle and my YouTube channel. How I make sounds this good. I think it's good. And about my setup. The bike you already seen. It's VFR800. Nothing special. Everything stock except exhaust. I got the Vinci S-Big car. Some little mods like grips and voltmeter and stuff, but nothing special. About my video and sound on YouTube. Video is normal GoPro 8 black, nothing special again. Just put it on 2K and 60 frames. Sometimes I use ND filter, which I think it makes kind of nice colors. Sometimes I don't because I forget. The sound I make with this Zoom H1 handy recorder. My setups are low cut, auto level off, and rec format. It's wow. Nothing special again. I just turn it on. It says access card, which is normal. I got I think 32 gigabytes of SD card inside. I press record and then hold. You gotta hold it. It turns itself off sometimes. Put it inside with this box I got with old GoPro. I made some sound foam so it doesn't move. When I close it, it's really close to the exhaust. I think it sounds great. I made some holes because it was a bit muff. I don't know how to say it. It didn't sound great. So that's about it. I can show you startup. Let's up. Start that up. Sounds equal. Now when I start to record, I usually just on the horn, so I know in the video I did it with the press of a button, and I know by the sound because I can hear it in my Zoom recorder when I get the file out of the recorder. That's it.